Okay, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Okay, say present as I call your name. Where is 10? They say present, okay, 10 absent. Aideen? Aideen? Absent. Asia?
Present.
Hopu?
Present.
Aishi?
Present.
Jolong? Jolong absent.
ว่างหรือ
Parikan?
เปล่า
Present.
Parik. Pupa? Absent. Nephew?
Present.
Jaunai?
Present.
Pe?
Present.
Koi?
Present.
Boom?
Present.
Grape?
Present.
Yok? Absent. Okay.
Present.
Fasay?
Present.
Kaimok?
Present.
Buah? Charintip? Absent. Jean?
Present.
Buah?
Present.
Kauhom?
Present.
Bonus?
Present.
Warania?
Present.
Welling?
Present.
Baitong?
Present.
Idea?
Present.
Kaugong? Absent. Okay. Are you not going to turn on your camera? Students? Are you not going to turn on your camera? Make sure that you have your book with you. Can you show me your book? Everybody open your cam and show me your book now.
Guys, please turn on your camera, please.ก้อยหยกฟ้าใสอิชิกุ๊กกิ๊กไข่มุกเอเชียบูมเนฟิว yes thank you.
Okay, bonus. Can you recall our lesson last time? What is our lesson? Last meeting. We study about what? We study about
Handcrafting appliances and furniture for families, members, or friends. Maybe this unit. I'm not sure.
You forgot. We study about mind map, right? Handcrafting appliances, right? Do you remember? Appliances and furnitures. You remember?
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Mind mapping. You remember when you say mind mapping, this is a way of sharing ideas or data, right? In order to show the relationships among the major ideas, minor ideas, or sub ideas. And it presents in terms of statements, symbols, and pictures by using colors and lines. So what are skilled workers? Who are they? Skilled workers. Who can give me idea? Skilled workers. Who are they? Give me one.
Carpenter.
Carpenter. Okay, another, Koy. Can you give me another skilled worker? Kay mo. Jaunay. Another skilled worker. Idea said carpenter. What else?
Painter.
Huh? Bonus.
Plumber.
Plumber. Very good. Another. Welding. Carpenter, plumber. What else? Welding. The one who paint the houses, the one who paint the wooden furniture, what do you call them? Painter, right? Hopo, another skilled worker. Who you gonna call if there is problem with your electricity? What do you call them?
Electrician.
Yes, electrician. Okay, how about the one who build fences? What do you call them? They assemble aluminum cabinets. What do you call them? No one remember. Do you read your book when you're home? Even we don't have lesson, you should read book, right? Because when we have lesson, I will ask the previous lesson. So they are called metal worker. Okay, everybody open now your book on page 112. So let us talk about handcrafting appliances. Again, what do you mean by handcraft? Handcraft. What do you mean by that? Can you see the screen I'm sharing?
No.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What do you mean by handcraft again? Meaning what? Anyone? Handcrafting. You do things using your hands, right? Remember? Handcraft from the word hand. Okay? You do things fully by your hands. So now we are going to talk about handcrafting appliances. Okay? Appliances that you use your hand by making of it. Okay? Number one is we have here tamarind key ring. Tamarind key ring. Did you open your book on page 112, students?
Yes.
Yes, so we start from the materials or equipment to do tamarind key ring. Do you know what is tamarind key ring? You see in the picture on the side, this is tamarind key ring. Students, do you see?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let us find out what are the materials or equipment to make this furniture. Okay, so you will not needing a machine to do this furniture, this appliance. Okay, only your hands and materials. The first is, idea, can you read the first? Materials.
tamarind branch of about 2 centimeters diameter.
Centimeter diameter. All right. So you will be needing tamarind branch. Okay, this is the measure. 2 centimeter diameter only. Okay, number 2, what do you need? Bonus.
Saw.
So, okay, another material. Where is cow home? Cow home.
Yes, teacher.
Number 3 materials. Aside from tamarind branch, so what else do you need to make tamarind keyring?
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper. Do you know what is a sandpaper?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So you'll be needing that. Where is kaimuk? What else? Kaimuk? Grape. Grape.
Yes.
Another material. Please read number 4. What's that?
Design and implementation.
Huh? What are you reading? We are on page 112. Materials and equipment in making tamarind key ring. Grape. Lacquer.
Lager.
Okay, Hopu, can you read number 5 materials needed in making tamarind key ring? Hopu? Hopu? Asia?
Yes.
Huh? What else do you need?
Uh,
Hmm?
uh,
Number 5.
hand
Hand drill.
drill.
Electric.
Electric drill.
Electric drill.
Okay, it's this one. The electric drill is this. Okay, you see? On page 108, this is what the electric drill, hand drill, or you can use electric drill. You can see the picture of it on page 108. Okay, and number 6. Can you read parikan? Parikan, number 6, materials, parikan. Upa.
Yes.
Can you read number 6, material, please?
Poster pen.
Poster paints. Okay. Number 7, can you read? Aidin. Aidin. Pasay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Pasay, can you read number 7, materials? Paint.
Plants such as water,
Color.
color, powder, color, oils, color,
Oil, color, and
act,
acrylic color.
acrylic color,
And
egg,
Yes, and you'll be needing small chain with a hook. So these are the materials if you want to make tamarind key ring. Have you ever made tamarind key ring? Students, have you ever made? Yes or no?
No, I haven't.
You haven't tried making it, right? So these are all the materials needed if you want to make tamarind key ring. So now let us know the steps how to make the tamarind key ring step by step. Number one idea. What is the first thing you do?
Identify problems or need. Need to make a tamarind key ring for family members or friends for special
Occasions.
occasion.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to identify the need. Okay, like for example, what is your friend's designs like? Okay, I will ask you bonus. If you are going to make tamarind key, what will be the design? Bonus.
Yes, teacher.
What design do you like?
Design.
Look at the example. Look at this example in your book. Okay, for you.
Maybe I'm gonna draw a pink heart.
A pink heart. So since Valentine's is near, right? So you will draw a heart. Okay. Thank you, bonus. Okay, how about step number 2? If you know the problem and the need of family members and your friends, so what is the next thing to do? The second step is, can you read it, Koy? Koy? Go home. Go home. Can you read step number 2? After you identify the problem and need, what's next?
Step 2. Generating data. Search
Data.
for
It's not data, students. Data.
data. Search for and collect data about
Sources.
sources or tamarind trees in your local area. Also find out about the materials and equipment others have used for making tamarind keyring from different sources.
Okay, so the next thing to do is you're going to gather data. Do you understand the word gathering data? Gathered.
Yes.
Teacher Om, can you explain them in Thai? Gather data, collect data.
yes yes ก็คือการรวบรวมข้อมูลนะลูกเราหาข้อมูลมาได้นะแล้วก็รวบรวม
I understand.
Yes.
Okay, so since you know the problem, you are going to collect data about sources of tamarind tree. So since you are going to make tamarind keyring, so you are going to collect, and of course you're going to find out about the materials and equipment for others used for making tamarind keys. Key rings. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That is step number 2. And then after step number 2, when you gather all the data and the materials from different sources, what's next? Can you read it? Jaunai, number 3 step.
Are selecting the solution for solving the problem.
Mhm.
Make a decision on the material, equipment, and method for
Materials.
for
Materials,
material
equipment,
and
method
method
for making
for making
tamarind
making
key ring,
tamarind
which is
which
easy
are easy
to
to
do,
do, save money,
saves money, time,
time,
and effort.
and effort.
Okay, so after you gather all the data, right, you collect different sources, different materials. On step number 3, you are going to select. Okay, this is now the time that you will select which is the easy. Okay, which is easy to do. You can save money. Not only money, you can save your time and also effort. You understand, students? Because you when you say collect, not only one, right? It's more than one. So you will select which is easier to do. Do you understand, students?
Yes.
Huh? Who said no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 4. After selecting, you select the easy to do, and where you can save money, time, and effort. The fourth step. The fourth step is what? Can you read it? Cook it.
Yes.
Read the step 4 after selecting.
Sketch a three-dimensional.
Step 4. Yes, you read first design and
Okay. Design and implementation. Sketch a three-dimensional dimensional design of the Tamarind key ring. Also prepare the materials and equipment required.
Then make it. So this is the time that you are going to design. Okay, you will do the making of tamarind key ring. You prepare the materials and equipment and you do it. Okay, you will design now your tamarind key ring. Okay, and the last step is, what is the last step or the 5th step? Can you read it, Parikan? Parikan, after making the first step, in the first step, you are going to now to make a design and you will do it. You will make it, and then the 5th step is what? What do you mean by assessment, Parikan? After making the tamarind key, what are you going to do now? Parikan. Teacher Om, not answering. They are here but not answering. Where is Charintip? Bwa. Bwa. Kaugong. Kaugong. Okay, bonus. Can you read the fifth step bonus?
Assessment. Check your work for strength and durability. If there are any mistakes, it is suggested that the improvements are made before use.
Okay, so the assessment is the last step. So meaning you are going to check your work. Okay, the fourth step, you are already making it. The fifth step is to check your work. Is it is the quality good? Is it good? Until when it will last? Okay, that is meant by durability. It will last for long time or no? You understand? Understand? Yes. Okay, and this is the time that if there is a mistake in your work, you can suggest improvements before you make another one and before you use it. Do you understand, students?
Yes.
Okay, so the procedure for making tamarind keyring is this. Okay, the first one, you're going to design a tamarind keyring making a 3-dimensional sketch on A4 paper. Do you know what's this? A4 paper? We are now in the procedure, okay? We are now in the procedure in making tamarind keyring. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2 procedure. Okay, first, do not forget, you are going to design a tamarind keyring in on a A4 paper. Next, you slice the tamarind branch diagonally to make a 1 centimeter thick piece. Do you know what is diagonal? Teacher Om, diagonal.
yes แปลว่าตามแนวทะแยงมุมลูกเป็นทะแยงมุมเข้าใจนะคะ
Yes, understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that is the second procedure. Okay, third, you are going to rub. Okay, that is the use of sandpaper. Rub it with sandpaper on both sides. For example, this is the, okay, for example, this is the sliced tamarind branch. Okay, you will get the sandpaper and rub. Okay, you're going to rub one side, okay, until rub on both sides. Okay, this side you rub and this side you rub. That is the use of sandpaper. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Then, after you rub the sliced tamarind branch, number 4 is you paint. Okay, this is the time that you're going to paint the slice. And of course, after you paint, you wait for it to dry. And then next, drill it in order to make a chain hole. Do you know what is a hole? Hole. Students.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Of course, you're going to use drill to make a hole. You understand? Make a chain hole on one side only of the sliced tamarind. And then next, number 5, after lacquer over the slice and wait for it to dry and then repeat. Okay, you're going to repeat it 2 to 3 times before you insert the chain with a hook through the hole. You understand? You wait for it to dry first. Understand, students?
Yes.
Yes. So do you think making tamarind keyring is easy? Yes or no?
No.
No? You think no? Okay. So for bonus, it's no, but I think it's not that hard to do. Just make sure that you have all the materials needed in making tamarind keyring, right? Okay. Let's now talk about making furniture. Okay, students, open your book on page 114. Okay, we're done with appliances. Now, furniture. Okay, look at the picture. What furniture is this? What furniture is that? Students, what furniture is that? Look at your book on page 114. It's a hanging
Picture.
Picture. Before I tried making picture frame, but not hanging picture. Okay, but I think this one is interesting. So what are the materials in making equipment? What are the materials in making hanging picture? Okay, listen now. I will read it for you. Okay, make sure that you listen. Students, are you listening?
Yes, I'm still listening.
Okay, so these are the materials needed for making a hanging picture. Number one, a piece of corrugated paper. Okay, number two, pale colored mulberry paper and pieces of tin colored papers. Okay, do you know that? Do you know all that materials? Do you know colored papers, right?
Yes.
Mulberry paper. Teacher, mulberry paper.
Mulberry paper.
Pale colored mulberry paper.
And mulberry paper. It. I'm not sure, teacher. It's kind of like the purple, right? Mulberry paper. Oh. กระดาษสา ค่ะนักเรียน Yeah, I got it.
Okay. You know, right, students? And also tin colored papers you will be needing also. Number three, decorating materials such as dried flowers. Do you know what is a dried flower, students? Yes or no?
Yes.
Dried. So make sure that it's dry, okay, not fresh. Dried flowers. Leaves, okay, all dry, okay, all dry. Dried flowers, leaves, grass. Do you know what is a grass? So again, okay, you'll be needing dried flowers, leaves, grass, grains. Do you know what is a grains? Grains.
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. And also bird feathers. Do you know what is a bird feathers? Bird feathers, twigs, pieces of cloth, buttons. Do you know what is a buttons? Okay, clothes buttons like this. All right. Okay, students. Okay, buttons, rope. Do you know what is a rope?
Yes.
Yes, and knitting wall. So, number 4, latex glue. 5, a ribbon of your favorite color. So, it's up to you. Okay. Number 6, branch. Okay, listen. Branch of a tree with diameter of about 1 centimeter only. Okay, branch of tree. Okay, 1 centimeter only. And then number 7, cutter. Do you know what is a cutter? Yes, scissors, saw, and ruler. Okay, ruler for measuring. Okay, and number 8, design equipment. What are design equipment? Such as A4 paper, pencil, and eraser. Okay, those are the materials needed in making a hanging picture. So now let's talk about the step. Okay, the steps. Steps number 1, the same with making tamarind keyring. You're going to identify the problems and needs. Okay, to make a hanging picture from scraps and local materials, or materials that are easy to find and cheap. You understand? Yes? Okay. You're going to make it for your family members or friends for special occasion. The example we have here is happy birthday, right? So it's birthday. It depends, okay, on the occasions. Do you know what's occasions? Students, do you know what occasions? Yes, it depends on the occasion. It can be wedding, right? Anniversary, Valentine's, right? Christmas. It depends on the occasions. So number 2, after identifying the needs or the problems, you are going to gather data. Okay? Gather data. You can choose you can collect not only one, okay, not only one materials, different materials. So you can choose, right? And step number 3, I will make it I will summarize it, okay? Number 3, again, after you gather data, this is the time that you're going to select which is easy to do, which is not expensive. Okay? You understand, students? Number 1, identify the materials needed. Number 2, you gather the data. You collect different materials. Number 3, you select which is easy to do and which is not expensive. And number 4, this is the time that you're going to design. Okay, design, you sketch, okay, and then you prepare the equipment and then you will make it. And number 5, again, you check your work for if it's strong and the durability. If it will last for a long time. Okay, if it will last for a long time. So let's now talk about the procedure. What is the procedure in making hanging picture? Number 1, design. Design a hanging picture by sketching again the 3-dimensional design on A4 paper. Okay. Number 2, cut the corrugated paper into the planned dimension. And then drill 2 holes close to the top edge for inserting the ribbon. Okay, you're going to put on the top where you put the ribbon. Number 3, you cut or sew the tree branch to the same length as the length of the prepared corrugated paper. So make sure that it's the same length. Okay? Number 4, cut the mulberry paper to make a circular shape. Circular. Okay? Circular shape with a diameter of 3 centimeters less than the length of the prepared corrugated paper. And then number 5, you apply the latex glue to the decorating materials. Okay, you put the glue and then paste them on the mulberry paper as designed and you let it dry. Okay, let it dry. After that, apply the latex glue to the back of the mulberry, to the back, okay? Back of the mulberry paper and then paste it on the corrugated paper as planned. And then after that, you cut the colored paper, okay? You cut the colored paper of various colors to make letters. So that is the purpose of colored papers, okay? You will make letters or words and then use them to decorate the corrugated paper as designed. And then number 8, cut the ribbon to an appropriate length. So it's up to you. Okay. And then number 9. Number 9, this is the time that you are going to assemble the hanging picture, okay, with the prepared tree branch by inserting the ribbon through the drilled holes on one edge of the corrugated paper and then tie. Okay, you tie. You know what is a tie? You tie. Okay. Understand, students?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tie both ends. Okay, you tie both ends of the ribbon to the tree branch. And then finally, cut off the remaining ribbon. So that is the procedure of making hanging picture. Which do you think is easy to do? The key ring, tamarind key ring, or the hanging picture? Which do you think is easy to do?
I think the tamarind keyring.
The tamarind key ring, but you told me you say a while ago bonus, but it's not easy. But I think so. The key ring, tamarind key ring is easy to do. So I hope we can make that when you get back to school. How about for you, Idea? Which one is easy? Idea?
I think tamarind key ring.
Tamarind key ring. How about Hopo? For you, which one is easy to do? Hopo, are you still here? Upa? 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 Pasay? Pasay?
Yes.
For you, which one is easy to do? The tamarind key ring or the hanging picture? You can decide, both hard to do? Pasay?
No.
So which one? Welling. How about you, Welling? Which one is easy to do, Welling? Tamarind key ring or the hanging picture?
I think
Easy, yeah, for you. Huh?
The second one is easy.
Both is easy.
Yes.
Wow, very good, Welling. Yeah, for you, it's both easy. Okay. So let us know what are the benefits? What are the benefits of making appliances and furniture by yourself? Okay, by yourself. You will not buy, you just make it. What is the benefits? Do you know what is benefits? The word benefits? Yes? Okay. The benefits of making furniture and appliances by yourself is first, you save money. You understand that? You save money. Understand, students? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 2, use free time wisely. Right? You can use your free time wisely. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number 3, develop creative thinking and an enthusiasm for work. So all the things that you think you can do, okay, you can use. You can use by making appliances or furnitures, different designs. You understand that, students?
Yes.
Yes. Number 4, add value to materials by using them for making appliances and furniture in order to give to others as a gift of souvenir. So the people that will receive the furniture or appliances, you will will be happy because you made it by yourself, right? Okay, you put an effort for it. And then number 5, generate self-esteem. Do you still remember self-esteem? A love for yourself. Understand? And then, of course, the last one, the last benefits, it develop your skills for a possible future career. If you are good in designing, it can be your career in the future. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I hope that you find this lesson interesting. If you know how to make appliances and furniture, okay, the benefits of it, you can save money, okay, and it will develop your skills. Can be your future career. Okay, students, that's all for today. For your homework, answer page 170. Okay, students, page 117. You understand?
Yes.
Do 117. Okay, that's all for today. We'll see you again next meeting. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you, Teacher Om.
Thank you, Teacher Lynn. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. See you.
Have a good one.
Okay, send it to our group line, okay?